Welcome, children. We are going to learn about Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor. In this lesson, we are going to learn the topic of factors. Let us learn what is meant by factors. You have seen this in the multiplication table, isn't it? Already we have learned that the first number is the multiplicand, next is a multiplier, the answer is called as product. Here we can say these 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. Then what is the factors of 20? You can search the multiplication table and find the multiplication facts of 20. So 120 is 20. 2 20s are 2 10s are 20. 4 5s are 20. So if you multiply all these numbers, you will get 20. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now it's your turn. You can find the factors of 8. We have to find the factors of 8. Look at the table. You can check the table and you can find the product. Here 1 is 1. So you can check here. We have a 8 in this line. So 1 8 is 8. So you can just mark it. 1 8 is 8. So this is the factor. This is one multiplication fact. And then you can come to the second table. We are finding the factors of 8 only, isn't it? So here I have a 8. So just you can mark this line. We can mark this line. Again you can check in the other tables. We don't have any factors here. No factors of 8. Here also we don't have a 8. Then we can go to the next table. Here also we don't have a 8 in the 6th table. We don't have a 8 in the 7th table. Again we have a 8 in the 8th table only. 8 1 is 8. So this is also one of the factor. So totally we marked 3 lines, 3 multiplication facts. So they are 1 8 is 8, 2 4s are 8, and also we have seen we can write 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are 8, isn't it? So in the 4 category we can write, but here these two are repeated of these two numbers. So just you can leave this. Now we can write the factors of 8. If you left this, the factors of 8 is 1 and 8, 2 and 4. So the factors of 8 are 1, 8, 2 and 4. All the 4 numbers are the factors of 8. So when you are writing the answer, you can write the answer like this. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Just you can arrange it in the ascending order. You can write it. Now we are going to find the factors of 12 and 20. From our multiplication table, you can find the multiplication facts of 12. 1 12 is 12. 2 6 are 12. In the third table we have 3 4s are 12. Again we can have 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, isn't it? It will be repeated. So here these are all the factors. The 12 multiplication facts we have written here. Next we can find the multiplication facts of. Here I found the multiplication facts of 20. They are 1 20 is 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20. So here you can find out what are the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? Here 1 is a factor, then 2 is a factor, next 3 is a factor, then we can say 4 is a factor, then we can take 6 is a factor, and then 12 is a factor. So like this we can take all the factors. We can take all the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. All these numbers are factors. When you think about the 20, we can take again the numbers. 120 is 20. So we have two numbers. We can take 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 10 is a factor, and 20 also the factor. So here we have given the factors of 12 and 20. The factors of 12 and 20. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And then the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now we can find the common factors. So the common factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Here we are going to find the common factors. The common factors means the number must be available in both the numbers. So we are going to pair the number. One is available there and here also. So this is a common factor. And we can take the 2. 2 is presented in both the numbers. So we can take 2 is a common factor. And then 3 is available here but it is not present here. So we can take 4 as a common factor. And then other numbers are not common in both. So we can take 4 alone. So the common numbers are 1, 2 and 4. So here we can say the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Among these numbers, 4 is the biggest number. Actually these are all the factors of 12 and 20. So we can say the highest common factor is 4. This is called as HCF. This is a way to find the HCF by using the factor method. It can be applicable only for the small numbers. If we want to do it for the biggest number, we shall learn it later in the next video. Thank you, children.